Respected Chief Guest, Professor J.P. Sinjura, Guest of Honor, Dr. G. Ravi Kumar, Sri S. Raghupati, Srimati S. Rajeshwari, Professor K. Nityananda, Sri Atmalingam, senior colleagues of the center, unit heads, delegates of the conference who are connected with us both online and offline across the globe, invitees, my dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all. It's my privilege to propose vote of thanks for this 12th biennial international hybrid conference on recent advances in information technology REDIT, which we originally started with the aim of conducting through online. But after so much of meetings, we decided to bring it in a format of what is it today, like in hybrid. So we have more than 400 delegates connected with us through online guests. The theme of this conference is innovation technology for the library sustenance. So we are extremely thankful to our chief guest for gracing this occasion, giving thought-provoking inaugural address. I also thank him for addressing the gathering and for highlighting the issues we need to deliberate during this conference. Also emphasizing the policy of one nation, one subscription, the how everything should go towards the open access and open standard model. Thank you, sir. I sincerely thank Sri S. Raghupati for sparing his valuable time to read it and delivering inspiring presidential address whereby emphasizing the importance of library, how library played an important role in his life. Related to the conference theme, he emphasized more. Thank you very much, sir. I would like to express my profound gratitude to our director, Dr. B. Venkatraman, for his kind guidance for this event and also helping us in strengthening various mechanisms to conduct REDIT. My special thanks to the guest of honor, Dr. G. Ravi Kumar, for gracing the occasion and delivering a motivating special address. I'd like to thank the all organizing committee members who are present here and connected through online for their untiring efforts and valuable guidelines for making this event a reality. We express our heartfelt thanks to all the unit heads, IGCSE members, MALA EC members, and the senior professionals for gracing this occasion. I take this opportunity to extend our gratitude to the distinguished panel of speakers from various countries. We have speakers from IAA, we have speakers from UK, Singapore, and other reputed institutions of this country. The delegates also from Nigeria, Sri Lanka, and other parts who are connected with us both through online and offline today. Delegates from various DA units, VRC, then VECC, RRCAT, librarians from various institutions, both academic and R&D institutions, research scholars, students, for participating in this conference. I will be failing in my duty if I don't convey my thanks to various sponsors who have come all the way from various parts of the country, the exhibitors and other service providers for their necessary support in organizing the conference. Without them, it would not have been possible for us to conduct this one. We also thank Engineering Services Group, Administration, Accounts, GSO, Transport, and CSF for their necessary support and guidelines. Lastly, I thank all the members of the organizing committee and all my colleagues of SARD who have been involved in this REDIT for I think at least 2 months continuously without a single break, because we every time we meet we come up with a new idea, and slowly online has become offline, and the typical format of REDIT we have ended up with. We originally thought that we'll do only online without any gathering, but lastly we ended up in a typical traditional REDIT and also a way of online connected together. So without that cooperation and the full support, this conference would not have been possible. So I thank everyone. So thank you all once again, and we look forward for an extremely productive 2 days discussion. So please join us through the YouTube and WebEx links which are already given to you, and also through offline. Have a great day.